Hi, I'm Allison Prior and I teach acrylic paintings and drawings for beginners and all levels. And I have over 900 acrylic painting tutorials, and I have a lot of drawing tutorials. Now my drawing tutorials, most of them are with my Patreon page, where you can go and sign up for $2 a month and get all the drawing courses that are not on YouTube. And I also have on YouTube a membership where you can go into the membership and you can also get the drawing courses there. So I just want to keep the drawing separated from my acrylic paintings, and so that's how you can get your hands on those. And if you have any questions, just let me know. allisonprior@yahoo.com. And don't forget to subscribe and like my videos, and I'll see you in the next video. So all you need for this painting today are your primary colors of red, yellow, and blue. And you can add sap green and burnt umber and black and white. Now, if you don't have sap green or burnt umber, you can use whatever you have on hand. And same with your primary colors of red, yellow, and blue. So they can be cad red, cad yellow, and ultramarine blue. They're the most popular ones, but whatever you have on hand, I'm sure we can work with it. Now that's with the 2-inch synthetic brush, and we're going to just use those two brushes for now, and I'm going to use something smaller for our flowers. So for here, I'm just going to add some. I used the chisel edge, all right, and I'm going to use my yellow on one side of my brush. And that'll flatten it out, see? We want to get that chiseled edge. And green on the other side. Alright? And I got a nice chiseled edge, okay? So that way I can start putting in some leaves and things where I want to put my flowers, right? So we'll put up one like here, just push up, pull up. Try not to push too hard. And another one here, okay? So you can have it as high as you want. Maybe there's a tall one right here. And a few smaller ones here. Alright, and just pull them up. You need more dark paint, just go get it on one side of your brush because you still have yellow on the other side. And then just pull up. Good. And you pull up as many as you want, small, big, because that's where you're going to put your flowers, alright? If you want some more over here, you can also have some over here if you want them. And you can have a nice tall one here if you want. Right, so just pull them up on your chiseled edge, and this is where your flowers are going to go. Good, that's it. You want some grass coming up like that, just turn your brush on the chiseled edge and pull up. Okay, just touch, pull up. Some yellows going on there now too. Look, I turned it around. I want to get into, reload my brush with the yellow and green, and pull up, flip around and pull up. See that? Okay, so dark, turn around, and some of your highlight. Isn't that cool? So easy, isn't it? Now, good. Lovely. So far, so good. So, on your brush, you can have same thing, some yellow on one side, same brush, and green on the other side. And if you want some leaves coming into the picture, you can go on chiseled edge, touch, sit down, move back a little bit, and stand up. And you had a little leaf come down. Now you can flip that around the other way, watch. So reload, green on one side, and yellow on the other. And you can start here and sit down instead, okay? That way you'll have your pointy edge here instead of, but that looks pretty good. So on the chisel edge, sit back, relax, come back a little bit, lift. See, it's not cute. I mean, so easy, right? Touch. Look, there's a leaf coming in through there. Maybe there's a little leaf coming in through there. So there's a few leaves just hanging on. Make that one a bit thicker if you want, or maybe add another one to it. You know, so they're just some leaves that are coming in off the tree. You can barely see them. Maybe there's a couple over here too. Who knows? Right? Who knows? Isn't that cute? See how easy that is? Now, it's so easy. All right. Now see if you can find a smaller, flat, chiseled edge again, synthetic brush. Okay, like I said, the bristles are for tapping. Now, let's take the back of your brush. This is very easy, and get a center. Let's just dip into red, maybe a bit of blue, okay? And we'll make a center for some of our flowers. So there's a center, and we can do another center here, and maybe we can do wipe that off. Maybe we can do a yellow center somewhere. Maybe it's a yellow center here. It's okay for lots of it to go on there. It's fine. Little centers just to help you figure out where you're going to put everything, all right? Touch, 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 touch. Maybe there's one down there. And we'll get the darker one again with the blue. A few little ones coming out up here. One here. And we'll put some little ones down there after. I'm not worried about that right now. We just want some flowers right there. So we're just going to pick up some white. A little bit of pink. We're going to make a little bit of a pinkish flower. Alright. More white than red though. On your flat, smaller, chiseled edge brush. And we'll just bring in some, now that's probably wet. Hang on. So let's get our pink color, white and a bit of red. Alright. A nice mess here, which is good. Look, there's even a bit of blue getting in there. That's fine. It's like more white than any other color. And then we will take our little flat brush. Let's take a small flat brush, chiseled edge, synthetic. And we will bring in some petals. So touch and come in towards there, like that. And like that. And turn your brush and pull up. Turn your brush and pull down. And let's put another petal right here. Oh, I lost my center. So we'll put it back. We'll put it back. That's no problem. Alright. So whenever you want to make thinner petals, just turn your brush to the side. Just go on your chiseled edge and pull in. Alright? Like that. And then the thicker ones, you just go right on like that. Okay, so it's like that. When you do the thicker ones, and when you want to chiseled edge, the thinner ones, you just use the sharp edge and boom, you know. So that's cool. So we got that one started. We'll add some highlights to that now after. And so for other ones, whatever colors you want, it can be more pink or more red. Just add more red to make it another color. And you can add then some more here. So you can just start in here and just pull out, pull out, pull out, pull out. And that's it. And then we can use the same brush for everything. Okay, so pull in, touch and pull in, touch and pull in, touch and pull in, pull in, and touch and pull out if you want. So just touch and pull in or pull out. So that will help you get those shapes. Nice. Now I'm going to change colors. I don't want everything to be one color. Maybe I'll put a blue one in there. So we got smaller ones here, so just touch and pull in. All right, or just touch, touch, touch. Look at that. Isn't that cute? I'm just showing you the simplest ways you can make flowers. Or, all right, so you can make touch, touch, touch. And some of the flowers are different shapes. Some small ones down here coming out. And when we put the highlights on them, they look better. All right. See, if you make a mistake, you can always fix it. Look, just touch and pull in. Good. And then get some more white paint. Make some more white ones. I find white ones are really nice. Yep. White ones are really nice. Let's go with pure white this time. See if we can find one. Take out one. And we will let's touch, pull out, up and out, up and out, and out. See, that center helps you keep centered. My brush wasn't clean enough, so I end up with purplish color. That's okay. It's fine. It's good. Try white again. Try white on clean brush. And maybe there's a little white one here. Touch, touch, touch. See, just touch, 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 and touch. Good. This one here, you can touch. Nice big one there, look. Make some of the petals shorter than others. Alrighty then. Let's go with some yellow this time. Maybe there's a yellow one right here. Touch, touch, touch. That's all you need there. Maybe there's a small one here. So while you still got yellow on your brush, just touch, 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 touch. How about we do something fancy, something really easy. We'll go with yellow on one side of our brush and red on the other. All right, red on one side, yellow on the other. Let's see what that does. We got to find a place now. How about here? Yellow side down or red side down, depends what you want. We'll say red side down. There we go. Look at that. Isn't that cute? More yellow. The paint won't come off, that means you need more yellow. You need more paint. I'm just touching and pushing. Touch and push. Alright, I fill that one up. I fill that one up. Nice and colorful though, isn't it? Alright, I'm going to go with blue and white. Blue on, my brush is still dirty. I'm just going to wipe it off, and then I'm going to put blue on one side and white on the other. See what that does. Just experiment with your colors. Have some fun with it. That's nice. Nice. Well, thank you for painting along with me. I hope you enjoyed that painting. And if you did enjoy that painting, leave a comment below in the comment section. Let me know what you liked about that painting. What part of that painting did you like? What was your favorite part? And if you have any questions about brushes or paints or anything about the painting itself, just email me at allisonprior@yahoo.com or leave a comment down below. And I will see you in the next video.